Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Perform the force restart for your iPhone model to clear temporary hangs. Press and hold the required buttons until you see the Apple logo. This often frees a frozen UI. Once done, plug the phone into a known good wall adapter and cable to confirm charging. A dying battery can mimic a hang. Make sure you have a Mac or PC with the latest Finder or iTunes installed, because if the restart fails, we'll move to recovery next. Once the force restart didn't fix it, put the phone into recovery mode so your computer can update or restore iOS. Connect the device, follow the model-specific button sequence, and watch for the recovery prompt in Finder or iTunes. If recovery mode is rejected or the hang persists, enter DFU mode for a lower-level restore. This rewrites firmware and iOS. Make sure to choose Update first. If Update cannot repair, proceed to restore. Knowing this erases the device unless you have a backup. After you pick Restore in Finder or iTunes, let the process finish completely. Do not disconnect the cable while firmware and iOS are being written. Once the phone restarts, set it up from your backup or as a new device, and verify apps and system stability. If the screen hangs again within 24 to 48 hours, try repeating the restore on a different computer or USB port. This rules out host-side issues, and if problems persist, contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.